100,000 welcomes to Dublin's Doorstep and the hidden Heartlands. Here's a look into the magic behind one of Ireland's best kept secrets. Dublin's doorsteps and the hidden Heartlands are centred around the local communities that bring out the very best of Ireland. Take in the easy pace of rural life and encounter ancient historical sites as you gallivant through tiny towns, glistening lakes, scenic pasture lands and tranquil forests. Travel to Glendalough to enjoy a guided tour of monastic ruins that date back to the 6th century. Get a true taste of Ireland's ancient East as you uncover the legend of St. Kevin. Marvel at one of the finest examples of round tower architecture in Europe and take in this spectacular backdrop. The Irish National Stud Farm and Gardens are home to some of the most magnificent horses and lavish gardens to be found anywhere in the world. Our guests will have the chance to meet equestrian legends, breeders and prize stallions. Take in the history at the on-site museum before strolling through the spectacular gardens around the property. Did you know Ireland is home to archaeology older than the Great Pyramids of Giza and Stonehenge? Starting at the Brú na Bóinne Visitor Centre, history lovers can dive into the ancient past of a guided tour of the Neolithic monument of Newgrange and explore the Valley of the Tombs. Join local specialist Peter Rafferty for an unforgettable hike through the majestic Mourne Mountains. Be transported back to an era when the mountains echoed with the sound of handpicks and trace the footsteps of the legendary Men of the Mournes. Gain insights into the stories of tunnel diggers, soldiers, smugglers and wall builders while marvelling at the incredible scenery on this Make Travel Matter experience. In the tiny rural village of Drumshanbo, our guests will find the first new distillery established in the area for over 100 years. The Shed Distillery is famous for its distinguished whiskey, but truly specialises in the innovative gunpowder Irish gin that's made with Asian botanicals and gunpowder tea. Explore the distillery's medieval copper stills and maybe take a bottle back to enjoy at home. Recognised as the oldest pub in Ireland, Sean's Bar in medieval Athlone has a history dating back to the year 900 and to the innkeeper in which the town is named after. While in the heart of Ireland, there's no better place to enjoy a tipple or two. Located on over 1,000 acres of private parkland, Carton House is an all-encompassing playground for those who want a leisurely stay. This historic mansion is the perfect way to spend any special occasion, with its 2 championship golf courses, 3 fabulous restaurants and relaxing Carlton Spa. Steeped in Irish history, Ballyfindamain has long been admired as the most lavish Regency mansion in the Celtic Isles. Over the past decade, the magnificent estate has been painstakingly restored to become a hotel like no other. The magical Loch Rinn Castle is a place where old world elegance and modern luxury mix. Once the ancestral home of the legendary Lord Leitrim, this 300-acre estate is home to historical sites, walled gardens and truly breathtaking scenery. This is just a taste of what's on offer in Dublin's Doorstep and the hidden Heartlands. There's so much more to experience no matter what your interests are. Guided by our mantra of taking you personally, our experts will help you get the most out of this region and help handcraft the perfect Celtic itinerary.